What's going on, positive people? It is Scott from Scott's Projects, and today I'm going to be showing you how to preserve your old school BMX stickers. In my case, I have a GT Performer, and as you can see, the stickers are really brittle and fragile, so they're like flaking off. And what you're going to need is some clear mailing tape or boxing tape or scotch tape. Just make sure it's the big packaging kind. And if you want to see more tech videos or bike fixing videos, just make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you get notified. But you're gonna cut the tape to the size of your sticker, and then to preserve it, just make sure you get the whole sticker. Like that. And just like that, my sticker won't deteriorate any further. I wish I would have done this when I bought the frame when I was a freshman in high school, but I did not think like this back in the day. I hope this helps preserve your stickers, and please subscribe to support my tiny little channel.